Periodontal cleaning. With plaque and tartar accumulation in the teeth, gum disease may develop. If left untreated, it can result in tooth loss. Periodontal cleaning helps remove the accumulated plaque and tartar, reducing inflammation and controlling the infection. Periodontal cleaning versus regular teeth cleaning. Periodontal cleaning, also known as scaling and root planing, goes beyond the scope of regular teeth cleaning. It involves deep cleaning that reaches below the gum line and targets the pockets of bacteria and plaque that have formed along the roots of the teeth. Regular teeth cleaning helps to remove plaque without using special techniques or devices. Who needs regular periodontal cleaning? Regular periodontal cleaning is essential for individuals diagnosed with gum disease or those who exhibit signs and symptoms of gum problems. Some common indications that may necessitate regular periodontal cleaning include receding gums. It's a sign of gum disease and gives bacteria easy access to the teeth. Receding gums often result in bad breath, teeth sensitivity, and tooth decay. Gum inflammation. Your dentist can assess it, which can be a warning sign. Periodontal pockets. These cause damage and inflammation to your gums. Therefore, they need to be treated as soon as possible. Pockets are areas where bacteria have formed deep within the gums and can't be reached by regular brushing and flossing. How often should periodontal maintenance be done? Each case determines the frequency of periodontal cleaning and can vary for different people. The general rule is that the average person needs to have their teeth cleaned 3 to 4 times a year. This frequency can be higher for those diagnosed with extreme signs of gum disease. It's essential to get regular dental checkups so your dentist can determine the best frequency of your periodontal cleaning. Regular communication with Dr. Nielsen, your Tempe dentist, is crucial for establishing an appropriate periodontal maintenance schedule and ensuring optimal oral hygiene. Noble Dental Care has been practicing award-winning dentistry in Tempe for over 30 years. We'd love to add you to our roster of happy patients.